Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked about Microsoft that was when it pushed actually Patch Tuesday. For some reason, it also pushed an update that was actually turned off by default, which is a Windows kernel fix for security. And what happens is that Windows update, a lot of people were asking, well, you're pushing an update. We know that it's a security flaw that could actually disclose information on any app that actually had its own memory space. But it was very cryptic. Microsoft started saying, well, with the update, we actually left that Windows kernel security fix off. It could break things. And of course, it intrigued everybody because everybody was like, it could break things. Like what? What can it break, actually? So that was kind of, weird. We were actually wondering, well, can you be more precise? And anybody asking was like, there's no clear answer to it. Now, actually, Bleeping Computer has noticed that for pretty much most of us, if not all of us, Microsoft has officially turned it on. So if anybody has any problems in the last week or so, well, it's on. Now, they've asked a lot of IT administrators because, of course, the IT crowd was not very happy with this fix, saying, well, we're kind of scared to apply it because you're telling us it might break the kernel. Well, it's on for everybody pretty much now, and IT admins say that we haven't seen any problems. So it's kind of weird. It's to wonder what did they see that scared them into turning it on at the first place, and then turn it on. Did they change their mind? Did somebody say, no, it shouldn't be a problem for most people? It's one of those weird things sometimes with Microsoft. They might be secretive about it because they don't want the hackers to know too much information about this flaw. But still, it's so bizarre when Microsoft works in that way. So apparently we're pretty much all activated on our machines. I haven't seen any problems on any machine. And that is for Windows 10, Windows 11 21H2, and Windows 11 22H2, by the way. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.